Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you something that I bought a few months back, and I started using it, but I've already outgrown it. Now, this banner is going to be changed shortly. I do have 17 websites, so I'm going to change my information from this to something else. So, for the meantime, I do appreciate watching, and let's get started on this video. If you remember a few months back, I bought this case right here, compartment case, to hold my flash drives and hard drives and thumb drives, whatever you want to call them. I got this from Harbor Freight for around $5 or so. Can't remember now. But anyway, this has suited me pretty well. But as you can see, I'm outgrowing this thing. All the compartments are full. These don't fit in here as good as I'd like. Can't straighten them out because it's a little bit too long. But anyway, I do have more to add to this, so I went ahead down to Walmart and I got a new container. And it is right here. This one's sold by Hillman. And this was $2.97 at Walmart. So I thought this might be best for my problem here. So I came home. Now this is, you can see it has the different dividers that you break off and put in here wherever you need them. This is a heavy duty plastic. It's 11 inches in length. Looks like maybe 6 inches wide. I'm not quite sure. Nice heavy duty plastic. So this is a nice container. It has the hinge locks on it. Right here. I believe this the top can come off if needed to be. I don't know why you need to. This is item number 592756. So I like this container right here. So I brought it home. I was going to put my flash cards in here, SD cards. I'm going to line them up like this. And going to fill up these compartments. Went to close it, won't close. A little bit too tall for this container here. You can see, let's see, this guy right there. Won't close. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this container now for $2.97. It's not really worth taking back to Walmart for. So I did buy this one to replace the other one. Now this is made by Hillman also. This is a large, item number 592757. It's a 14-inch container. Just like the small one, it's very well built, nice. I do like this one a lot. And the SD card containers, they will fit nicely in here. They will stand up with no problem at all. Let me put this in there. And it does close like it should. So, for $3.97, I got about 50% more storage. I got more height of what I needed. I can store all my flash drives in these front compartments. Let's see, let's keep going with this. I can divide them off. Right here is the divider, or I can put one of these in there if needed to be. Let's just go ahead and do that right here on this side. I'll show you. So this will easily fit in there. Pretty good. I'm impressed with this one. $3.97 Walmart storage container. Will hold all my SD cards, flash drives. This will hold my terabyte flash drive right here, my portable terabyte with the cords. Nice container here. I'm pleased with it. So, for me to hold my flash drives, SD cards, which seems to be growing daily, this large storage organizer from Walmart sells for $3.97. For me, it's perfect. For you, you need to decide yourself, but for that price, I don't think you can go wrong. I do appreciate watching. My name is Carl, and hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell so you'll know when I upload other videos. I do appreciate you watching.